Most people make a script, shoot, edit, and only then ask, what should I call this? What thumbnail should I use? That's backwards. On YouTube, packaging is everything. If the title and thumbnail don't grab attention, no one clicks. Doesn't matter how good the video is, people won't even open it. So do it the other way. Start with the title and thumbnail, and only then build a video around that. Here are some real videos that made it really great. J. Klaus, 4 million views. Title: Meet the YouTuber who sold shorts. Jenny Hoyle's interview. Sold shorts sounds like a secret got cracked. Meet the YouTuber invites discovery. It also includes a known name, but doesn't rely on it. On the thumbnail, we see the quote, "I can make anything viral." This is huge promise. Big smile, positive vibes. This is emotional hook. Bright and big blue text pokes off the feed. Feels fresh. So this is another great combo. The title builds credibility and direction, and the thumbnail adds personality. A bold claim that makes you want to see the proof. Start your story. 1.7 million views. Title: The Underdog. From his parents' basement to 25 million. The Underdog is a story arc. Underdog energy always works. From parents' basement to 25 million. Wow, this is really interesting how he achieved this. And this is already enough. Overall, it feels personal and cinematic. Let's go to the thumbnail. He's clearly just in it, he's locked in, working late, looks focused. $0 to $25 million, underdog. This is literally power plus contrast in one visual line. Serious face, low light. It really feels like the beginning on something super big. Also, it feels very natural. You can see yourself in it. You can think like, wow, it can be me. I need to hear this story. So why this combo hits? The title is the story, and the thumbnail is the scene. It makes you wonder, how the hell did he do that? My First Million podcast. Title: Turning 1 million into 1 billion. A masterclass from the Indian Warren Buffett. 2.6 million views. What makes this title great? Clear transformation. From 1 million to 1 billion. Huge outcome. Big promise. The Indian Warren Buffett. Authority, curiosity, niche. Masterclass, perceived value. And thumbnail. We see the quote, "Okay, I'll tell you everything. Wow, this is so intriguing." Strong emotion on his face, plus clean background, easy to read, and this is engaging. High contrast, big bold text, and that makes killer combo. The title sets up the value and curiosity, and the thumbnail feels like he's about to share something really huge, and you have to watch it to find it out. But what if the packaging was different? If instead of this combo, we saw a title like "Interview with Moknish Pabrai" and the thumbnail like a screenshot from the Google meeting with just two heads. No story in it, no curiosity, no emotions, and no idea who will click on it. So how to package your video well? Start with what would make someone stop scrolling. Then build the content around that. And that's what you need to know to make a killer combo of thumbnail and titles. For title, write titles like tweets, short and punchy. Use simple searchable language, 6th grade level or something. Don't try to sound smart, write to get found. For the thumbnail, use big, bold text. No full sentences. Show faces and emotions whenever possible. Make it clear in 1 second what the video is about. And don't be afraid to go a little dramatic. The click is emotional. The content can be calm. Thank you for watching.